Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. I have come back with the video of Standard 5 Computer Chapter number 6 MS PowerPoint Part 2. I hope you all have practiced whatever we have learnt in Part 1 and you have enjoyed preparing a presentation. In Part 1 we had learned formatting the text, viewing a presentation and changing the background color. You have practiced all these things and you have enjoyed doing it. Now let us start with the part 2 of this chapter, MS PowerPoint. Now they have given an example here and you have been asked to create a presentation on common terms in PowerPoint. We have to give different backgrounds to the different slides. The steps which we should follow are given here. Second, we have to change the background color of the slide. The steps are as follows. A. Select the design background. B. The format background dialog box is displayed. C. In the color box, click the drop-down list arrow. Click on the More Color option. D. The Colors dialog box is displayed. E. Select the desired color. F. Click on the OK button. G. The Format background color dialog box is displayed. H. Click the Close button. These are the steps which we have to follow and change the background color of the slide. Let us now create the second slide as given below. We have to create a textured background to the second slide. The steps which we have to follow are: A. Select the design background. B. The Format background dialog box is displayed. C. In the color box, click the drop-down arrow, then select Fill Effects. D. The Fill Effects dialog box is displayed. E. Click the Texture tab and select the desired texture. F. Click the OK button. G. The Format background dialog box is redisplayed. H. Click the Close button. In this image here, different slides are shown. You have to create the slides like this and apply the different backgrounds to these slides. Now we will learn how to insert a clip art in a slide. Clip art is used to add an picture in the slide. We can add clip art image to the existing slide or create slides consisting of clip art only. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. First step is click on the Insert ribbon and select the clip art in Illustrations. The clip art task panel is displayed. The second step is type the clip art's name that we want to insert. Third, it will display all the clip art images related to the name. Fourth, view the various clip art images and click on the desired clip art image to insert it in the slide. Here in the image above, you can see a slide where an clip art is being inserted. Now let us see how we can use the word art. The word art allows us to create different styled text with textures, shadows, outlines and more, which can be applied to the text of any slide using word art. We can make the text curved, wavy, 3D effects, etc. In the image here, you can see a slide with an word art different styles with the drop down list. Any one style you can select for the text you want in your slide. Let us follow the steps to use word art. First, insert the word art by clicking the Insert tab. Clicking the word art button in the text group and select a style. Second, type text. Third, select the text. Click the text effects button in the word art styles group. Point to transform at the drop down list and then click the effect you want. Click in the shape height box in the size group and enter data. You will find a beautiful change in the text. In this slide above, we can see we have selected from the Insert tab word art. From word art, we have selected the style group which we want, and then it is pointing to the transformation. From the drop down list, we click the effect which we want to be seen on our slide. Now we will learn how we can insert auto shapes. What is auto shapes? Auto shapes is a drawing feature that helps in drawing different shapes. Shapes can be resized, rotated, flipped, and colored. For using auto shapes, we have to follow few steps. Let us follow. The first step is click on the Insert ribbon. Here in this image, we can see a slide. When clicking on an Insert ribbon, we can see the shapes, and when we click on the shape, in illustration group, a pop-up menu will display the options like different shapes can be seen. Second step is click shapes in illustration group. A pop-up menu will display options. Recently used shapes, lines, basic shapes, black arrows, etc. Third step, point to any shape you want and select it by clicking. Fourth, the pointer changes to plus sign. Place the pointer on the slide and drag it to adjust the size. Here in this image, you can see a slide with the star shape used in it. Here with this auto shape, we have completed with the chapter. Let us revise what we have learned in this chapter and how beautiful presentation we can prepare by using all these things which we have learned in this chapter. First thing that we have learned is how we can use the Microsoft PowerPoint and make our presentation more effective and attractive, for which we have to use the following things like formatting the text, with which we can format our text, that is we can change our font style, color, size of the next thing that we came to know about the different font styles which are present and how we can change the font size, how we can use bold, italics and underline, how we can align it to the left, right, center, etc. Then how we can apply bullets and numbering to the text, how we can increase or decrease the font size, and how we can change the color of the font. Next thing that we learnt are how we can view a presentation in the 4 different views, that is normal view, slide sorter view, slideshow and note pages view. After that, we have learnt how we can change the background color. Then we learnt how to insert and clip art, and how we can work with word art. At the last but not least, we have learned how we can insert the auto shapes in the MS PowerPoint in our presentation. I hope you all have understood this chapter and you all enjoyed learning this chapter, because with the help of this chapter you can prepare beautiful presentations which will be more effective and attractive for the others to whom you show this. Now we will stop here and meet soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and be safe.